And we're back to CapCut. Let me show you this manual movie ending. Already shown you that there's an inbuilt effect that can do that. But the manual adjustments give you a little bit more freedom when it comes to timing and the feathering. Let me use this clip right here. I cut it short. I want this to be the end position. I select the clip and then go to Video Mask. Use the circle. And then we want to add a keyframe. Just as a reminder, we are at the end position of this clip. I left click here on the diamond icon and then I move forward and create another keyframe. Both are for size. And here I want to make this way bigger so that it exceeds the frame. And here at the end I make it as small as possible. Now let me play it. And this works. You can see we can adjust the speed of it by adjusting the position of the keyframes. But we have two problems to solve. Number one is this. There's still a fragment at the end. And if I try to make the size 0, it jumps to 1. So you can't really add a 0 here. One way to solve this is to go to stock and then go, for example, to background, or just type in black and you should get a black background. Download one of them and add them at the end of your clip right here. You don't need that much, just a couple of frames. So I cut it short here using the split tool. B is the shortkey for it. And now we've got that issue solved. Another one is that currently the mask doesn't have a feather. So I'll select the clip again, go back to Video Mask, and here I can feather it out. Don't go too far. I think a value of 3 should be fine. Let me play it. And there you go. This is how you can create this movie ending manually in CapCut. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.